Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kayla Rouser-Davis and I'm back with another tutorial. So today we're going to do a wig, and this is a 5x5 closure curly hair from DSoar hair. And you guys, this hair is so pretty. I love when I get like a loose wave, a deep wave, or curly unit. It just looks so good, perfect for summertime. Usually I wear this all year round. I just love curly hair. It just looks the most natural in my opinion, and I love baby hairs. So today we're going to use the Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. I love this stuff. This is the small bottle. I do need to repurchase a bigger bottle, which I'll be doing soon. But as you can see, I'm going to use a popsicle stick to apply the glue. This is the most easiest for me to apply, and it doesn't make a big mess. And I think I used about probably 2 layers because I'm going to go in with this lace spray that everybody has been raving about. So I'm going to go in with this little blow dryer that I bought from, I think, Dollar General when my other blow dryer went out. And you're going to see me apply the second layer. I think I was in a hurry when I was doing this unit. You guys, I love a 5x5 closure just because it's too hot and humid to wear a whole frontal, especially with the ear tabs. So I love me a 5x5 6x6 closure. And I'll make sure to have everything in the description box for you guys about this wig. I highly recommend this wig, you guys. It's so pretty, and it's a true HD lace. Now we're just going to go ahead and put our 5x5 closure on our forehead, but not really on our forehead, but you get what I'm saying, more like a hairline. And I'm going to go ahead and pick this is it rat tooth? Rat tail. It's rat tail, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and pick up this rat tail comb because we're going to smooth everything out and make sure everything is laid, okay? We do not want our hair it's my hair, you're right. We do not want our wig to slide back. We do not want our wig to fly off. We want this wig to be secured. So make sure you guys take your time with applying your wig. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace in the middle, and I'm going to use these eyebrow razors or eyebrow archers to cut the lace. And you guys, I finally found me some eyebrow archers because your girl was struggling with the scissors. And this is going to help it not look too perfect. You want it to look like a ziggy zag, you know what I'm saying? Because you do not want it to be straight across. So I'm going back in with the Erica J glue, and I'm going to go ahead and secure the corners because I have a habit of not securing the whole lace. I don't know what it is. I think it's my forehead. It's the hairline. Like, my hairline is super weird. So I'm going to go back in with the Erica J, and I'm going to do 2 layers of that. And then I'm going to go ahead and make sure it is scalp. Okay, we're going to press it in. And then we're going to use our spray. I'll make sure to have it down below. But you guys, I love the spray. It is so good. It does not make your lace hard. It does not give a white or ashy cast. And it's not sticky. Like, and it melts and it goes on clear. Like, it just looks so good. Do y'all not see that? It's giving scalp. Like, y'all, I really like this glue. Like, it's not even a glue. I really like this spray. Highly recommend. Bought it at my local beauty supply store. I've heard that they had a bigger one. I guess this is more of the smaller one, but y'all go get it now. We're going to go ahead and create our baby hairs. We're going to do one on one side, the other on the other side. And of course, we're going to plug. I feel like I did more on one side than the other side, but you know, we're going to mind our business and keep continuing this video because I was editing and I was like, sis, why is one side bigger than the other? But our hair still turned out cute at the end of the day. So let's just keep going. You know what I'm saying? Trust the process for real. Now we got the tweezers, y'all. We're gonna pluck, 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 pluck. Like I'm not playing, y'all. We finna pluck for real. Like when I say my hand was tired, my wrist was tired, my hand was so tired. Like y'all, pluck game strong. I'm not even, I'm not even gonna hold you, but it was a must because I do not like overly thick baby hairs. Like that's just not me, and I just don't like that. So we're gonna pluck, pluck, pluck until I like how the baby hairs look. And then we're going to cut them, and then we're going to lay the lace. Okay, so since that is done, we're going to go ahead and show you guys the milk game. Period. Looking good, girl. So right now, we're going to go ahead and do our baby hairs. I'm going to flat iron it first with this little flat iron that I bought from my local beauty supply store. Okay, so y'all, I was looking on YouTube to see how to do baby hairs, and I like the other technique from, if you watch the end of the video, you'll see me like done up, makeup and all that stuff, looking real cute, looking real good, you know what I'm saying? So basically, I did it underneath, and I'll do another video of me doing it underneath, and I think I like the underneath method better because it gets that nice like fluffy baby hair, you know what I'm saying? But I mean the under don't, you know, it's not bad. I mean my hair still look good, my hair is still laid, but I think I don't know which one I like the most. Like it's super hard. I just felt like doing it over, I guess, was really simple, but I really like the fluffy baby hair, so I might just do it under for my next video. I'm not sure. Maybe I should do a get ready with me because I haven't did a get ready with me, like a real get ready with me, in a very long time. So it'll be like makeup, hair, and outfit. Should I do that? I think that'll be so fun and cute. I think it'll be so fun and cute. So I'm going to use this, I don't even know what it's called, scarf, and I'm going to put it around my edges because we want our edges to be flat, flat. We want this lace to melt even more. So I'm going in with my favorite mousse. You guys know I love this mousse. I use this on my wigs, and I also use this on my real hair. And I'll make sure to have it down below for you guys to purchase. I bought this from my local beauty supply store. Not sure of the name, but I know it's a little bit pricey, but it's so worth it, I promise you. And then I'm going to go in with my Kendra Boutique hot comb, the best hot comb ever. Like seriously. Like I've noticed a big difference from my wigs from like when I first started doing wigs to now. Like it just looks so good. So for my curls, I'm going to use water, 2 leave-in conditioners / moisturizers, and mousse. You guys, this was like so pretty. You can really use the mousse on its own because it gives that nice moisture. It gives that nice shine and hydration. And I also use the mousse on my natural hair as well. And it's so good, y'all. Like, I love that mousse. It gets your hair super soft, super fluffy. It just makes your curls look amazing. And you can also use the mousse on like roller sets and stuff like that. Right, so we up close and personal. Y'all, look at this hair. Like, it looks so pretty. Like, shine, juiciness, volume, fullness. It just looks so good. And once again, I'll make sure to have everything down in the description box for you guys to purchase. But watch what the mousse does. Like, the mousse is just going to bring it all together. And then I'm not going to do the other side for real, because you just saw me do this side. You know what I'm saying? Like, why would you want to see the other side if I already did one side? Like, who wants to see a repeat? So, yeah, I really like this wig, though. Like, it's so pretty. I didn't have any problems with it. When I bleached the knots, it bleached so easily. I had minimal shedding. I mean, but it's curly hair, you know what I'm saying? Curly hair is going to shed. But it wasn't like a lot. So for the concealer to help with my part is in the shade Fun. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of black eyeshadow to make sure the parts in the bleached areas is concealed and everything blends together. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Once you see me take this scarf off, y'all going to be like, let me go get this wig today. Let me go buy this wig right now. Like, hello. But I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.